Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly what to do if you get this error when submitting your e-invoices using AutoCount software. First step, click Edit button. Then go to Edit tab. Untick Submit e-invoice. Click Save button. Go to Invoice Listing and select the invoice you just saved. Click Edit button. Tick Submit e-invoice. Click Issue Date Time. Select Issue Date Time. Click OK button. Click Save button. Click Refresh button. AutoCount e-invoice successfully submitted.